Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just share a quick little tutorial on my high puff that I do on my natural hair, and this is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles to do on my natural hair. I just love the regalness of a high puff. I just love the glory of showing our texture. Doing a high puff is so easy and it's so quick, and that's why I just always gravitate towards it. So I find that my puff looks best when my hair is pretty shrunken, so I even like to do my hair fresh out of the shower. I like to just twist my hair after it's wet just to get some more definition in. So this is what my hair looked like last night. It was very shrunken, and I was doing puffs on that, but I just like for it to have a little bit more definition. So last night I just twisted my hair up. If I do my twist and my hair is too stretched, I'll go back, put some more water on it. The key is just to have my hair pretty shrunken, just so the texture and the thickness is all there. Okay, these are the little twists that I put my hair in last night, and yeah, let me take them out.
Cause I am in love with thee. When I'm feeling down, you're the best company. And even when I'm going back.
So my hair is looking a little crazy, but I'm actually going to run and put a little bit of water on it. I just want it to be a tiny bit more shrunken. So I went to go and put water on my hair, and you see that my hair shrunk a lot. And a pick isn't really necessary because I really just fluff my hair with my hand. I just like something that is like a long little scarf string like this. And another thing that I use sometimes is a shoelace. So there's so many different things. Before I use this, I actually like to also put some oil on it just to make sure that my hair is well coated. I'll just put some on my finger and rub it on the front a little bit. And then the next thing that I use is just a boar bristle brush, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of smooth my hair a little bit.
Even when I'm done with me, how you keep loving me. Am I what?
So I take my string and I just put it around the back of my head. And sorry if you guys see any white residue on my hair. It's because I just wet it and I had conditioner on it. But so I'll just take the string and kind of tie it in front of my head like this. And then I'll slowly just start pushing up, just very slowly.
Trying to find my way back to you.
And the great thing about these strings is that you really can control how big you want your puff to be. And another thing is that you can control the tightness. So even though I'm trying to get my hair into a puff, I'm also not trying to get a headache. Okay, so I think that this should be good. And when I've decided how big I want my puff, I'll just go ahead and make a tie in the back.
All that I've become, I'm glad you see that all I have is all you need. Take my hand, I'm on my knees.
So this is how it looks when I'm done, and when you've tied your puff all up, you can always just go back in with the pick comb and, you know, pick it out, fluff it out a little bit if you want it to be more full and bigger. Just even go in with your hands. And when I'm doing my puffs, I just don't put any gel or anything like that because I really just like all of the natural textures to come through. But if you want a more sleek finish, gel is definitely something that can be used. But yeah, this is the hairstyle, super easy and super quick. And if you guys are interested on some hairstyles that I do when my hair is a bit more stretched, I'll leave a video right here in case you guys want to check that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!